Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss how to do binary multiplication. Okay, binary multiplications. So before going to do binary multiplication, first we have to know the rules. So these are the rules. So any number is multiplied with the 0, the result is 0, right? If we are multiplying two ones, the result is 1. This is the basic rule, right? So here we are going to discuss one problem. So 90 is multiplied with 27. We will get 2430. Here 27 is a multiplier, 90 is a multiplicand, right? So this is the binary representation of multiplicand 90. This is the binary representation of 27 multiplier. So now we will see how to do the binary multiplication. So the first bit of multiplier is multiplied with the entire binary length of multiplicand, right? The result is same as multiplicand, right? See here 1 0 1 0 1 0. The same, the result is I have put it in the first row, right? The second bit is 1 in the multiplier. Again, this 1 is multiplied with the entire binary length of multiplicand. But while placing that result, you have to leave the first place, right? You have to put the first place as a into or x, or we can also say that one as a don't care. This is the normal multiplication rule, right? So later you have to put the entire binary length of multiplicand. So the third bit is 0 in the multiplier. This 0 is multiplied with entire binary length. The result is 0. Before placing that, you have to put the first two bit. The first two place should be the x. Later you have to put the entire result. The process is similar. The remaining 2 bits after performing the multiplication. So you have to do addition. See how to do addition. It is a normal binary addition. In the first place, in the first column, we have 0. So you have to retain 0 as like that. So no need to perform any addition. Here in the second column, I have 1 0. The 1 is added with 0. The result is 1. In the third column, I have 0 1 0. The 0 is added with 1. The result is 1. The 1 is added with 0. The result is 1. So here in the fourth column, I have 1 0 0 0. The result is 1. So in the fifth column, I have 3 ones. So 1 plus 1, the result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 1. The result is double 1, right? You have to place 1 is here. Carry is 1. Again 1 is added with 0. The result is 1. Again the 1 is added with 1. The result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 1. The result is 1 1. The first bit you have to put it in the result. The second one is carry. So again 1 plus 1, the result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 0. The result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 1. The result is 1 1. Again you have to put first bit as a result. The second bit is as a carry, right? So again here 1 plus 1, the result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 0. The result is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 1. The result is 1 1, right? The 1 1 is added with result 1. You will get 100. The first bit is your result. The second two bit is your carrier. The result, this one is 0, right? Where is that? Sorry. This one is your result 0, right? So again your carry is 1 0. The 1 0 is added with 1. The result is 1. The result is 1, right? So the carry is 1. So again 1 plus 1, the result is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, the result is 0. carry is 1. So in order to find out the decimal value of this entire binary length, you know the procedure, right? You have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. You have to write the power values. Then you have to multiply. Whenever do you have 1, you have to multiply it with the particular positional voltage. Here 2 to the power of 1. This is 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 4, 5, 6. No need to multiply 2 to the power of 7, right? 8, 9, 10 is not required, 2 to the power of 11. So if you are adding all the one's positional weightage value, you will get the result 2430. I think you are able to understand the binary multiplication. Thank you. We will see in the next video.